What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we have something we only see once or maybe twice a year here on this channel, a Hot Wheels 10-pack. I don't buy these for a pretty obvious reason. Normally you only get one or maybe two models in these multi-packs that are interesting for your collection, and the rest is pretty meh. This one I got for free. There was a special offer at an online store when you ordered Hot Wheels stuff for more than 50 euros. You got one of these 10 packs for free. Now, maybe you ask yourself, why did I pick this one? The thing is, you couldn't pick, you couldn't choose. They sent you just a random 10 pack, and that is what I got. But I have to say, this one isn't that bad. I put a link in the description down below from an unboxing from my last 10 pack, and that was way worse than this one. This thing has another problem I'll tell you about in a moment. I would say let's take a closer look and let's open this thing up. There are not only multi-pack exclusives in this set. So let's cut this thing open and take the cars out. Let's get started with the first one, which is this guy here. This is the 68 Dodge Dart. This isn't a multi-pack exclusive. You could get this one in a single pack. Yeah, this one's pretty nice. There's a lot of deco going on this one. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of these gigantic wheels in the back. But all in all, I have to say this one doesn't look bad. A lot of Deco Mopar logo here on the front. We get a chrome base. So we have a nice looking chrome front, a chrome bumper. The only thing missing are taillights. Yeah, it's just the huge wheels. The rest, I mean, this thing is definitely okay for a multi-pack car. Then we go on with this guy here. I think it's the third time I got this year. This is the Formula Solar. Well, nothing that goes into my collection, but it's this thing has a metal base, and it's a pretty good track car. And I think you can, as you can see right here, you can take the top off. So yeah, maybe interesting for playing for children. Yeah, but that's it. Then we go on with this thing here, which is called the Rev Rod, I think. But you can't find that on the base, interestingly. I think this is definitely the worst, the worst model of this 10-pack. And if you go one or two videos back in my timeline, you will see that I bought 3 packs 1 or 2 weeks ago. And unfortunately, the Formula Solar and this one were also included. So yeah, pretty bad. Then we go on with this special twin mill. This is the, I think it's called Hot Wheels Braille Racer. As you can see, you got these Braille dots. I think this model was a collaboration with the National Federation of the Blind, which is yeah, a pretty neat idea. It's not my favorite casting, but yeah, once again, I think it is a neat idea. I couldn't find the loose versions of this thing, but I can show you the carded versions. First version was the white one on top, and there you can see the logo of the National Federation of the Blind. Then we've seen a kind of a Zemek version and a red version down there, and you can also see, which is pretty cool, we got these dots here on the packaging also. I think it's saying Hot Wheels Twin Wheel up, but I'm not 100% sure. And once again, this isn't a multi-pack exclusive. Here is our model in a single pack. So let's put this thing to the side. And let's go on with the, I think it's a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Also not a multi-pack exclusive. Because I would say American muscle car. Doesn't look too bad. The deco is pretty nice. Kind of, yeah, candy apple red. And yeah, nice deco. Plymouth badge there on the back. Mopar on the side. That's definitely okay. Then, yeah, this one is really cool. And once again, I got this, or I bought a 3-pack at a shop in my area not too long ago, especially for this model. This is a multi-pack exclusive. The problem was the one that I had in the 3-pack was a little bit messed up. If you take a close look at the deco here on top, I think it's hard to see. This is the one from the 3-pack, and yeah, these there was some issue with these stripes here. I hope you can see that, and some chips here in this, paint chips in this black stripe here on the hood. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I have yeah, an okay version of the Lamborghini, and our yeah, not so nice model can go on to the racetrack of my son, which is pretty neat. Then this is the next one. I bought a 3-pack for, and now I got it in this 10-pack. Yeah, that's a little bit annoying, but it is how it is. This is really nice. This is the Datsun 620 in, yeah, kind of an 80s wipe deco. I think this one looks good. In a glossy gray-blue livery, blue-gray, whatever you call that. I like the embossed Datsun logo on the back. Chrome base, which is pretty cool. So we get this chrome bumper. I only found one other version in my collection. I mean, sometimes I think there are some models where they put, or yeah, it's just a feeling, but you know, I think there are some models where they put really cool decos on every time, and yeah, it seems like this Datsun is one of them. Let's put this guy into the parking lot. As we go on with this one here, which is the Track Hammer that I also got in a 3-pack not too long ago. Yeah, what can I say? It's nothing for my collection, but yeah, comes with a metal base, and you know that these models with a metal base are normally pretty good on track. And yeah, I already tested my 3-pack version, and this one's not too bad. So yeah, then let's I would say let's go to the this 10-pack exclusive, which is this one here. This is the 69 Copo Corvette. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. We have a yellow base, and you know, I mentioned it earlier. I'm not a huge fan of this gigantic wheels in the back, but I think on this casting, I think it's okay. It fits or matches the design of the car, in my opinion, and I would say this is one of the few castings where I think this is okay. Yeah, this is the 10-pack exclusive. Doesn't look too bad. We don't get any taillights, but yeah, rest is okay. But personally, my favorite of this 10-pack, and I'm pretty happy that I have it now, is this one here. This is the Honda Civic Custom, and I would say this is the best version so far, except that we are missing, yeah, as on many of our main lines, headlights and taillights. I think taillights, this thing definitely needs, needs headlights in my opinion. But the rest is pretty cool. Comes in a flat black livery. You Get some racing deco on the side, which is pretty nice. I also like the wheels. I can show you all of the other versions. I'm not 100% sure. I think the blue version was the debut model of this thing here. With the yellow wheels, as you can see, we have mismatched wheels. The ones in the front are bigger, and yeah, we have different style of wheels in the front and in the back. Then we've seen this pretty nice version. And yeah, there's only one version missing, unfortunately, but that is an US exclusive, I think, from Kroger, whatever you call that. Yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate, but yeah, this one's also nice. I mean, these two next to each other, looking pretty good. And now, let's take a look at all of our 10 models. As always, at the end of my videos, I'm picking a favorite. And this time, yeah, it's definitely our Honda Civic Custom. I think this one looks really, really cool. I mean, I wish they would have done the taillights and the headlights. That would have been really cool. But yeah, it isn't that bad, and it wasn't the worst 10 pack I ever got. With that said, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.